Hey, my name is Haley Marie and welcome to or back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video if you love these wig reviews. Now let's get started. Today we're going to be doing a wig unboxing. Yay! So today's wig is actually going to be the Dashley unit number 9. So this is what the box is looking like. And if you're actually interested in the unit that I have on right now, this is the Dashley unit number 8 in the color number 2. And I'll go ahead and link the video right here or whichever one it is. Okay, so go ahead and click the link on top if you're interested in this wig. But let's get started on Dashley number 9. So this one is actually a curlier wig. It's like curly wavy sort of. It's just like this one if you saw my other review or my other review or anyone else's other reviews. It's like a basic cap construction. It has the 2 combs on the sides, 1 comb in the back, and then it has the adjustable straps in the back as well. These are the other colors that it comes in. Let me move my fingers. There we go, a little slow so everyone sees it. Great. And so yeah, those are the colors, but I got mine in the color number 2. And here we go. Yes. Okay, so I want to mention that I think they're doing better on the laces, because if you look at this lace, it's like almost like an exact match for my skin. And thank you Sensational, like hallelujah. This one is a little lighter than my skin tone, but like with some foundation it still matches. This one though, wow, this one is a really nice match. I am impressed. So my little baby scissors. I don't know why I said it that aggressively. The fuck? I'm just an aggressive ass bitch, I guess. Anyways, just like I mentioned in my other video, I'm actually gonna pluck this hairline a little bit just because I want it to look just a smidge bit more natural. Actually, this one's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it while it's like in my hands. Okay, so I cut the lace off. Here's what it's looking like, just so you guys get a better picture of what's going on here. This lace color is like phenomenal. Let me just put it up to my head. Like, it's pretty decent. I like it. It's a little dark, but I like it. So we're gonna take this bad boy off. Love that hair. I love it. And then we're gonna put this one on. I don't have the straps done just because I never do them. Okay, so this hair is really nice. This hair is actually silkier than the Dashley unit number 8, which is surprising. But this hair is really cute. Oh yes, bitch. I saw a bunch of people, they like finger combed the waves out, but I am not doing that. This is so pretty. I don't even know what to do with myself, you guys. This shit is so cute. I just have my little mirror here so I can see what's going on here. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this part. I feel like it's a little wonky. Yes, I'm parting my hair with my scissors. Yes, it's ghetto. Yes, I understand. Now we have some sort of resemblance of a decent part. I'm gonna take my hot comb and just kind of try to flatten this out a little bit at the top. I'm gonna put some powder in the middle. This is the wig. This is the wig. Not really a whole lot to do with it, but oh, I am in love with this hair pattern. Okay, so it's kind of looking nappy right here already, but that's my fault. It's just cool. This is how she's looking from the front. So these wigs, I think they were like $27 a piece on Wig Types. Everything came out to $52 with both of the wigs and the shipping, I believe. So yeah, I'm in love with this hair, like, and it's like not super shiny as well, so it doesn't look extra synthetic-y. Oh, I love it. Love it. Yes, bitch. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have this wig already, how it's been treating you. Let me know if you haven't gotten it yet for whatever reason. But yeah, this is the wig. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.